My name is Awesome, and I'm happy to meet you. With the level of advancements in AI today, everything is absolutely possible. Imagine taking any image, your favorite character, a family photo, or even a random scene from the internet, and bringing it to life with motion, expression, and personality. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic, it's AI. You can even have posters and thumbnails talking. You are not convinced, right? Watch Mr. Innocent address you.
Yeah, the smart kid is right. It is possible to make anything that has a mouth television. And in this video, I am going to show you step by step how to do that free of charge.
Hello everyone, my name is Innocent and I welcome you to my channel. I share videos on how to make money online using AI tools and other legit platforms. So go ahead and become a member of the family by subscribing, liking, and clicking on the bell notification icon so that you will be among the first to get notice of my fresh uploads. We try as much as we can to ensure that our videos are up to date and top notch. So I want you to right now, go ahead and subscribe before you continue so that you won't forget. And I also want you to go down to the comment section and comment AI money if you are ready to leverage AI in creating online wealth. Now let's dive into the video. Now the first step of the process is getting your video. You can get your video through various means. You can generate it, you can download it, you can even snap it with your phone's camera. By all means, you must have an image first before you now get it to talk. So let's assume you don't have an image and you want to create one. So we are going to go over to ChatGPT and ask it to either generate an image for us or to give us an image prompt which we are going to take to other AI platforms in order to generate them. I'm talking about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a very powerful platform that almost everybody that is making money online is using to generate ideas. So in case you have not started to make money online through ChatGPT, I have created a full detailed video whose link I'm going to put up here that you can click in order to learn how you can start making money online using ChatGPT, and it is free. The free version will help you to make millions if you implement the strategies that I shared in this video. So go ahead, even right now, you can pause this one and click on that one in order to learn how you can start making money online using that free platform. So over here on ChatGPT, let us give it this prompt. Give me a highly cinematic image prompt for a very beautiful African nurse that everybody will love. Let her be in a very expensive hospital. So this is the prompt that we are going to ask ChatGPT to generate for us so that we can take it to another AI platform. We click on enter and allow the AI to do its magic. So it has given us an image prompt, cinematic image prompt, beautiful African nurse in an ultra luxury hospital. So we are going to copy this prompt now and head over to the next AI tool that we are going to use to generate the image. Now the tool that we are going to use is called Grok AI. Grok AI is a generative artificial intelligence chatbot developed by Elon Musk's AI company. It is designed to be a truly truth-seeking AI companion with the ability to provide real-time information using the S platform, formerly called Twitter, and of course the internet, in order to give up-to-date responses. It is available as web app and mobile app, both on iOS and Android devices. So once you have signed in using your details like Google account or even S or Twitter account, this is the interface that will greet you. So in order to start generating images, you need to come over here where you have a margin and click on it. Once you click on it, you are greeted with this interface. And this is where the magic begins to happen. And as you can see here, it is set on video. So in order to generate an image, what you need to do is to tap this arrow and select image. Once you select image, it is changed to image. You also choose the aspect ratio. And because you are doing YouTube video, we leave it at 1:1. So once that is done, you can now go back to ChatGPT and copy your prompt and come over here and paste it. So let's do that now. So we select our prompt from ChatGPT and copy it using Ctrl+C. We are back here on our beautiful Grok. So we go ahead and paste the prompt using Ctrl+V. The prompt has been pasted. We go ahead and click this button in order to start generating it. Now the magic begins. This is awesome. The powerful AI has given us a lot of options to choose from. So we can scroll down. As you can see, all of them are just wonderful. So we are not going to have any problem of choice. I picked the very first one. Now that we have generated our image, the next step is to turn that image into a video or to make the video talk. and we are still going to use the Grok AI to make it to talk by giving it instructions on what it needs to say. I love Grok AI. It gives you plenty of options. Now, when you pick an image from the first array of images that have been given to you and you scroll down, you still have a lot of options. In case you don't like the first one that was given to you, when you scroll down, you can see a lot of other beautiful options. Anyway, for the purpose of this video, we are just going to stick with this one. So the next thing that we are going to do now is to instruct it on what to do to this image, and we are going to paste this prompt here. So nothing will change. The nurse is just going to talk. This is the prompt by which we are going to animate this beautiful nurse. The nurse looks at the camera with playful confidence and says, "Being a beautiful nurse is not easy. Everyone wants me to do checkup on them." Hey, that is beautiful. So now, before we click on animate or this video button, take note of this important information. In order for the AI to recognize the words that it is going to speak, the words needs to be in quotation mark. As you can see, being a beautiful nurse is not easy. Everyone wants me to do checkup on them. It is in quotation mark. If it is not in quotation mark, the AI will not be able to recognize it as what it has to say. So that is how to force the AI to speak the words. So every word in the quotation mark, the AI is going to pick it and speak it. That is how Grok AI works. So take note. So now we are going to click on this video. As you can see, it has started animating our image. One thing about Grok AI is that it is very fast.
Being a beautiful nurse is not easy. Everyone wants me to do checkup on them.
So as you can see, I didn't like how it said that checkup. So we are going to rephrase it so that you can speak it well. Everyone wants me to check them up. So we have adjusted the prompt a bit. So let's go ahead and reanimate it and see how it will sound.
Being a beautiful nurse is not easy. Everyone wants me to check them up. Being a beautiful nurse is not easy. Everyone wants me to check them up.
This is awesome. These AI tools, they're getting better every day by day. In the same manner, let me also show you how you can animate your posters. Maybe you're a graphics designer and you want people to talk from their wedding invitations and other graphics. You can also make only their images talk. Let me show you. Now, this is one of my YouTube thumbnails. So I'm going to use it in this tutorial to also show you how to make thumbnails and other graphics or other images on any graphics to talk. So I'm going to upload it onto Grok AI and give it instructions. So while you are here, if you want to bring in other image, you click on this attachment button. Once you click on it, you will see upload a file. When you click on it, your file explorer opens. You go ahead and select your file. Normally, once you upload an image onto Grok AI, it automatically tries to make it into a video. As you can see here,
Create your YouTube channel like this.
I didn't give it any prompt.
Create your YouTube
This is AI
channel
doing its work
like
automatically.
this.
If I want it to say something else, I will just give it another prompt. So this is the prompt that we are going to give it. Let only the character move and say, yeah, creativity has gotten to another level. We click on animate button and see.
From one of your union, creativity has gotten to another level, guys.
So guys, as you can see, this is AI, and of course it is still AI. It is not perfect. So at times you need to generate a single video multiple times in order to get exactly what you want. So this is the last prompt that I gave it. Let only the character move and say, yeah, creativity has gotten to another level. So let's play it and see.
Yeah, creativity has gotten to another level, guys.
So this is okay, but if you check the previous ones that he gave us, it was still learning it was still trying to understand the prompt. If you click on this backward arrow, you are able to see your previous generations. So let's click on it.
Of union, creativity has gotten to another level, guys.
So the beginning part of this one is not good.
Yeah, creativity has gotten to another level. Creativity has gotten to another level, guys.
You see that this one is not also good.
Creativity
the writings
has gotten
were also
to
moving,
another level, guys.
which is not what we wanted. That was why we kept generating.
Guys. So on, but find here, creativity has gotten to another level. So on,
this one was also not good.
Creativity has gotten to
the
another
words
level,
were not
guys.
very good. And the words we are also moving.
Creativity has gotten.
So as we can see,
creativity has gotten to another level, guys.
This is what we want. So we'll go
Yeah.
ahead and pause. So guys, that is how you animate your images. There are other platforms that you can use to animate your images, but Grok is better. Why? Because you can have up to 20 generations with one single account per day.
Yeah, creativity has gotten to another level, guys.
Being a beautiful nurse is not easy, oh. Everyone wants me to check them up.
And you can see the output is wonderful. Other platforms will just give you about 2 to 3 chances, but Grok gives you up to 20 generations. And of course, as you know now, if you want to generate more and you have more than one Google account, you can create another account and generate more. I didn't tell you this, but of course I know you know. So you see that Grok is very okay. I love the platform, and that is why I'm talking about it. So I also want you to give it a trial. So if you find this video helpful, you go ahead and encourage us so that we keep on making this simple for you. We keep on making these type of videos for you. Share the video, like the video, and subscribe so that we'll grow together. See you in my next video, where I will show you how to animate multiple characters, how to make multiple and consistent characters to talk. Bye.
Being a beautiful nurse is not easy, oh. Everyone wants me to check them up. Being a beautiful nurse is not easy, oh. Everyone wants me to check them up.